Guys, so I am done styling this unit, but before I get into the specs and everything, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because you don't want to miss what your girl got coming up, and then y'all can be part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys already saw, I did get this unit from YSDIDWIGS, and I want to probably say, like, right now, this curl pattern is in color, okay? Let's get into the curl pattern and the color. It's probably my favorite headband wig right now, y'all. Like, I am feeling it. Yes, like, quick, easy, simple. These headband wigs are about to save lives. You hear me? Saving lives, honey. Quick, easy, simple. You know, I showed you in the beginning all the different ways you can wear it. Down, half up, half down, bun, ponytail, like the possibilities are endless, okay? So I love it. Like, the hair is super soft. It curled really good once I added my mousse and my volume spray to it. It curled so good. Like, I can't wait for it to be like really dry and give me like that big old afro kind of curly look. Ooh. Y'all, I'm about to be slaying in this wig, you hear me? So if you guys are interested in this unit, you already know your girl got you. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that link down below, so that way you can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on my next video.